Is building a blog still worth it in today's overly competitive online landscape? Can you still make money from starting a blog in 2023? And if so, what is the best program to help you learn how to do it the right way? Stick around to the end of this video to find out if Authority Site System 3.0 is worth it. I'm Annie, and my channel is all about finding you ways to get free through passive income. If that sounds good to you, then smash that like button, hit subscribe, and follow my small channel for more ways to do that. Let's get right into this one today. Authority Site System 3.0. What is it? It is a complete step-by-step training course for how to build authority websites from the ground up. An authority website is basically a blog website where you have authority, people trust you, people come to your blog to find out the truthful information about things that they want to know more about. So who was it created by, and can you trust them? Mark Webster and Gail Breton. Mark has been a successful online marketer since 2008, and Gail has been working with Mark since 2010, growing and building profitable, successful websites. They are both legit dudes that have been known in the online marketing space for a long time. So what's different about this one than every other course? This is the only course that I've seen that gives you a real life case study of a website that they built from the ground up that you can learn from and copy. It shows you how to brand your site, how it should be structured, content creation methods, link building, and how to optimize it overall for affiliate commissions. Another thing that's really different about it is that it's one of the only courses that I have found that's not full of fluff and hype. It's just really down to earth, straightforward. This is what you have to do. This is how long it's gonna take, and that's it. So what's included when you buy this course? There's over 183 video lessons, and they update these videos every year. They include how to find the right profitable niche, site setup, branding, writing the right kind of content, link building, affiliate setup and optimization, and becoming an authority. It also includes a real life case study site to learn from and get ideas from. Also includes copy and paste templates for you to use, and a community with a ton of active members to learn from. So who is this good for? Beginner online marketers that have no experience at all, this is a great place to start. Also, people who have tried to build a blog and have been unsuccessful, this would really help you. And then also website builders who are already doing pretty well, this would be a good course to teach you how to scale your business. So who would this not be good for? If you don't have a lot of time and effort to put into this business, it probably isn't gonna be good for you because it's gonna take a lot of effort and work in the beginning to build up your website, and it's gonna take quite a bit of time for you to start seeing a profit from this. They're pretty honest about it in the course, and they say that it usually takes anywhere from 1 to 2 years to start seeing a profit from your authority site. So what are the pros? It's very legit and not full of fluff. It's also a very well-known course, and a lot of successful online marketers have given it a good review. It's also very affordable for the amount of content you get. And even though it does take a long time to start seeing money, after you have it all set up and you've put in a lot of effort for the first year or two, it becomes a really passive income business. So what are the cons? My biggest con is that they don't teach YouTube. It's really easy to make a good online authority site blog and just take the scripts from those blog articles that you write and turn them into YouTube videos, and you basically double your business. It's a really easy thing to teach and learn, and they don't do that. If they did that, this course would be in my top 3. So I think that they're really missing the boat with that one. And to go along with that con, this course is all about authority and ranking your website on Google. But YouTube is the best way to do that. Google owns YouTube, and to have authority, you really need to be on both. Marketing has moved largely from websites to videos in the last decade, and YouTube is the #1 video streaming site in the world, which is why I recommend this course instead. It's called Tube Affiliate Success Academy, and I will link it in the description below. It basically teaches you how to hack Google and YouTube. It's how I make passive income every single day. So testimonials and other reviews, there are a ton of successful student testimonials all over the Authority Site System sales page, like a ton. There's also a lot of good reviews on Reddit and Quora. There is also a great review of this course on ebizfacts.com, and you can see it is their #1 pick out of 30 different affiliate marketing courses. Again, I don't agree with that, but that website doesn't have the courses that I recommend on it. So out of the 30 courses that they have seen, they think that this one is #1. So what is the cost? It's either 6 payments of $150 or $600 one time. And there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. So my final thoughts, it's a good course if you just want to learn how to build and rank content websites so that you can make affiliate commissions in the future or flip these websites. It's very affordable for the amount of support and content that you receive. However, I wish that they taught YouTube as well. So my final verdict, I do recommend this course for people who just want to learn how to build amazing websites and nothing else. It is probably the best one available for just that. I don't personally believe that websites are the best way to make passive income with affiliate marketing. I think that you need to have YouTube as well, which is why I recommend the course Tube Affiliate Success Academy, and I will link that in the description below if you want to watch the webinar and get more information about it. Thanks so much for tuning in to another review with Get Free with Annie, and I hope that you choose today to get free.